Welcome to the first edition of Pick a Pie. This is Rory. She's an 18-month-old border collie who lives in Sydney. She's arguably as smart, if not slightly smarter, than most of the people who are on the footy show. Since this is the first episode, we should probably explain how Pick a Pie works. Basically, we're going to place my dog, Rory, equidistant from these two pies. The pie on the right represents the Newcastle Knights and the pie on the left is the Bulldogs, and we'll do so on and so forth for the rest of the draws for each week of the NRL Finals this year. Whichever one she picks is the winner. Let's go! Game 1. Dragons on the left, Eels on the right. Dragons!
Oh.
Oh, no blindfold. Okay, dragons! Yay! Knights on the left versus Bulldogs on the right. More hesitant this time.
Oh.
Eels.
Oh,
Eels.
Bulldogs.
Bulldogs.
Oh, it's Bulldogs.
Oh no, it can't be Bulldogs! I'm going to have to put this in iMovie. Game 3. The Brisbane Broncos versus the Gold Coast Titans. Come on. Good girl. Broncos! Broncos! It's the Melbourne Storm versus the Manly Sea Eagles. She's unsure. Circling around. And it's Melbourne! Oh, or is it? Have I acted preemptively? No, it's Melbourne! Yay! That concludes this week's edition of Pick a Pie with your host Rory.